What's up guys, Garrett here with Self-Taught.dev. I just wanted to do another little update on where I'm at right now. I recently finished project number 7 on Team Treehouse. It was a Gulp project. They basically gave you a web page and you had to concatenate the JavaScript files, minify it, compile the Sass, minify that, pipe it all to a distribution file, throw it up on an HTTP server, getting tongue-tied, and that was project number 7. It's pretty fun. Gulp's definitely going to be useful in the future. I'm probably going to try to use it on my website to transpile my JavaScript in my portfolio projects to hopefully get that work on, get those to work on Internet Explorer better than they do right now. What else here? Started a Slack channel, so if you want to come hang out on Slack, check the description. I'm probably going to start doing 30-day challenges in there. October is going to be no fast food month, so 30 days of no fast food. I'm only going to eat what I cook in the house here. I'll probably also do some like book club, like Audible book club, just talk about books that have helped us a lot, or like favorite books, stuff like that. I don't know what exactly it's going to be yet, but hey, come help me grow it, help shape it. Third thing, portfolio. I'm making my portfolio responsive finally, so my little project section is 4 columns now, because even numbers are more aesthetically pleasing. Second, if it goes to tablet mode, it goes to 2 columns, and then if it's on like a mobile phone, it's just 1 column. And it looks like I've got a decent amount of projects on there now, so I think I'm going to add the thing where there's like 3 dots on the bottom, and you can like swipe to a new page of projects after I get more. And I'm also going to change the heading to like the top part to a video of some mountains, because I think that'll look pretty good too. And then there's a bunch of other small details I want to change to make it look better. Got to update my skills in there too. And then last thing, got my little whiteboard over here, and no! Why did it fall? I need an iPhone holder. I'm going to invest in that, I promise. But yeah, 4th thing, goals. It's almost a new quarter, so I'm going to make a video of how I set my goals, like how I break down what I want to get done for the year, for the quarter, for the next month, for the week, all that fun stuff. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit the bell button so you can get notified when that one comes out. I'm working on React right now on JavaScript, not JavaScript, Team Treehouse. And that is, I like it. I think it's surpassed Python as my favorite language now. I have no idea what's going on in this video, but the stuff you can do with it looks really cool. And I'm sure you can probably do the same stuff with Python, with like Flask or Django. I just didn't get that far in Python yet. So I'll probably go back. After I get Angular down, I'm going to work on, I'm probably just going to spend a couple months just drilling down more on the skills that I do have, because I need to get more proficient at those. I can build, like if you give me a project, I can build it, it'll just take some time, and I need to get faster for sure. But I think that's it though. So yeah, head over to Slack in the description, join up, come do the 30-day challenge. We can keep each other accountable. If you haven't subscribed, if you have any questions or comments, leave that down in the comments obviously, and I will see you next time. Peace.